guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Sugar, and if you're not new here, hey Sugar babies. So today I'm doing a get ready with me and a Q&A. So I have my handy dandy questions right here that have been asked, and I'm gonna try and answer all of them. If I can't answer all of them, then that's okay too. Yeah, and I'm also getting ready to go to dinner for my birthday. Let's get started. So I already have my products right here, and I'm gonna just get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off by priming my face with the Marshmallow Primer by NYX. I've never tried this before. So question number one, the question is, what's one makeup product you can't live without? Oh, this smells good. So one makeup product that I can't live without, that would have to be a lip product. Like, I can't live without a lip product because my lips do need to stay moisturized. And I like this. This smells good. Okay, so I'm gonna start on my brows. I'm not really gonna do much though. The next question is, how did your beauty routine change after hitting the gym regularly? It didn't really change much, but I just don't wear makeup to the gym. Like, that's a big no-no for me. I sweat too much. I'm gonna use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in dark brown. I'm gonna just use a little bit though. Next question, it says, what's your go-to lazy girl skincare routine? My lazy girl skincare routine would have to be a cleanser, and then I moisturize. That's my lazy girl skincare routine. And I'm very rarely being lazy. So yeah, I don't do that all the time. The next question is, what's your favorite everyday makeup look right now? So I haven't been wearing makeup lately. The last time I wore makeup, like an actual full beat, last year. I haven't been wearing makeup like that, but my favorite everyday makeup look right now would be tinted moisturizer, concealer, a little bit of blush, lip gloss, and lashes. That's it. That is my favorite everyday makeup as far as right now. So the next question is, how do you stay consistent with self-care when life gets hectic? I just keep it in the back of my mind that it's something that I need to do every day. Like, I don't like when my skin looks dry. I don't like when my hair looks unkept. So I have to do something to keep my spirits up and stuff like that. The next question is, I'm not even going to use concealer on my brows. What's your current favorite drugstore foundation? That would have to be my Maybelline Fit Me, this Fenty Beauty Eavesdrop Blurring Skin Tint. Where are my brushes? Yeah, my favorite drugstore foundation would have to be Maybelline Fit Me, and it would be the shade Classic Tan. I'll apply a little bit more of the skin tint. I normally don't put this on my forehead, but why not? Concealer that I'm going to use is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Warm Beige. So the next question is, how do you organize your beauty products at home? I'm going to be completely honest, they're not organized at all. I just throw them in my makeup bag, literally. Like, I don't have time to organize all of them. The only thing that's organized is my eyeshadow palettes. That's it, because I have several eyeshadow palette. The next question is, what's one viral beauty trend you actually love? I don't remember any of the viral one, to be honest. The next question is your morning routine when you're filming. So first, when I wake up, I make sure I make my bed. Sometimes girls don't wake up. That's the first thing that you should do. Yeah, I make sure that I make my bed, wash my face, do my hair, and then I make sure that I feed my dogs. And I go get food and go about my day. Okay, next question is, what's your favorite perfume to wear on a casual day out? I like the Gucci Flora, the purple bottle. I wear that every day. So I'm going to use the Coty Airspun to set under my eyes, or make, whatever you want to call it. Let me do one eye at a time. So next question is, how do you deal with imposter syndrome as a content creator? I don't really know what that means because I don't deal with that. So yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and skip that question. What's your top tip for looking put together on a budget? If you go to the drugstore, go to CVS, go to Walmart, go to Walgreens, whatever drugstore that you have around you, go buy them. Go buy those makeup products. There's nothing wrong with using drugstore products. Don't let anybody tell you that there's something wrong with using drugstore products, because it's not. So next question, what's your favorite go-to breakfast to feel energized and cute? Some fruit, particularly blueberries and strawberries, and then if not that, I'll eat some egg, one slice of French toast, and bacon. That's my favorite go-to breakfast. Okay, so next I am going to use some bronzer. How do you wind down after a long content day? I either color or I watch TV, play The Sims. If you didn't know that already, I do play The Sims. If you know, you know. What's your skincare secret for glowing skin post-gym? I use Korean skincare now because the skincare that they have for us to use now, they have a lot of chemicals in it. The Korean skincare, and I like to exfoliate and use a face mask. Those are really my go-tos. So for contouring, I'm about to use this eyeshadow palette. This is by Juvia's Place. This is the Warrior 2 by Juvia's. And I'm gonna just use this shade right here. And I have to go lightly because it is pigmented. And I'm gonna also do this on the corners of my head, up here. Okay, so the next question is, how do you prep your skin before applying a full face of makeup? I make sure to really cleanse my skin. I like to double cleanse. So I use like a regular cleanser. It can be a foaming cleanser. It could be a regular cleanser, and then the next cleanser would be like a deep pore cleansing cleanser. And that's really what I use to get the best skin before. And then also make sure you moisturize really good. I like to add vitamin E oil in with my moisturizer, and that does give me the best skincare. And then also make sure you have like a great primer. For somebody who hasn't done their makeup in a while. Okay, and then I need a brush for my blush. I'm sorry, and I use the Studio Max Fix NW44 for my nose. I'm actually going to do this on the bottom part of my face. One of my girls, actually two of my girls, one of them asked, what made you start doing makeup and when did you start? What made me start doing makeup was me watching different YouTube videos, and the first person that I watched was Savannah Silver, and it was Aaliyah J. I first started watching Aaliyah J first, and she was doing her makeup tutorials, and it just inspired me to start doing makeup. And then I actually started doing makeup when I was in high school, and that was like 2012. No, 2009 to 2012 is when I started wearing makeup. So yeah. And then my other question that the girlies asked was, what's something you look forward to doing in your daily routine? I love doing masks, like face masks, the paper ones or whatever. I like doing the face masks. I don't know why, but I just love doing them. That's like the best part of my daily routine. And then also doing my skincare is my favorite part of my daily routine. The other question that I wanted to answer, what's your favorite affordable beauty brand and why? So NYX would have to be my NYX and Juvia's Place. I know it said like one, but I have two. So NYX and Juvia's Place. But I love how they have different shade ranges from lipstick to eyeshadow, the different pigmentations that they have. And then NYX has always been that girl. So yeah, I am going to use the Saharan Blush Volume 2 blush palette by Juvia's Place. It looks like this, and I'm going to use this shade. Yeah, this is what it's looking like so far with the blush. And I like to put a little on my nose, and I'm gonna put a little on my forehead, just a tad. And I'm also going to blend this out just a little bit. So yeah, those were all of my questions really that the girls asked. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and finish up my makeup because it is 6:47 and dinner is at 7:30. So I'm gonna just put this on my eyes, whatever this is. And then I'm going to spray my face with this Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. Clear Brow Gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, just to lock in my brows. So my lip combo that I'm gonna do is this NK makeup pencil I got from the beauty supply store, and it's in the color dark brown. And I like to overline my lips just a little, like the Cupid's bow part. Next, I'm gonna use this Jeffree Star I'm Nude. I think this is like a lipstick or whatever. And I'm gonna put a little here. And I'm gonna go back in with the liner. I'm going to add this Juvia's Place lip gloss. The collection is the Coffee Shop, and it's in the shade Butterscotch. Looks like this. So I'm gonna add some black eyeliner if I can find it. I use this eyeliner stick by NYX. Looks like it's down on its last leg. Can I sharpen this? Ooh, and I can. Haha. I didn't know you could do that. Okay, so I'm gonna just line my waterline with this. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed my Q&A and get ready with me. Make sure y'all drop a happy birthday in the comments. By the time y'all see this, it'll be past my birthday, so just drop a happy belated birthday in the comment section. And once again, thank y'all for tuning in. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications, and I will check y'all in the next video. Bye, sugar babies.